At Hospitality Technology, we understand the power of making personal connections. That's why our virtual events put people at the center. Join us as we explore how.
What we're going to move into now is this interactive component of the session, the more workshop component of the sessions. Robert, you and I can go down and join the audience, and we look forward to joining the small discussion groups.
Our interactive workshops bring attendees and solution providers together for small group discussions. Simply click on a headshot to join a private chat with individuals or groups. Participants are encouraged to mingle about the room, join different groups, and enjoy live networking.
I'd like to bring up on the stage our next winner. His name is Michael Marini, and he's from Edwardian Hotels, London.
We know how to do one thing right at HT Next. It's how to have some fun, right?
Amen. Let's start this party.
Woo! HT Next, I am so excited to be here with all of you. Do you like my homemade smoke machine? Yeah? I've gotten creative in 2020.